Your dropshipping orders taking so long time for shipment. So in this video I will show you some top class suppliers that can make your stores millions dollars and your business will be more and more profitable. So I'm Nazmul Hassan. So I will talk about you in today's video. Let's how you will find the right supplier. So nobody will talk to you about this. So let's see. Alright guys, so our first dropshipping supplier is AutoDS. Okay, they are an automated fulfillment company. So let's say that they have integration system in Shopify and other sites, suppliers and resources, and they have pricing. They have monthly pricing that we can see that what monthly pricing on what service they are charging. Then we will go to the next supplier. But in the last things I will share you secret and a very good things that nobody will share with you at the end of the video, so you have to see the full video. One moment, it's coming. Yes, so pick a plan like import 200 product $19, 500 product $29. Okay, they have price and they have good fast shipping, no problem. They have everything. Like big dropshipper is giving good review. And the bad things is that these suppliers like AutoDS have limited product. I mean, they cannot source any product. They will suggest some product, then you have to do business with this. Okay, it's not good. So every supplier have pros and cons side. And let's see the next supplier company like Gendrop is also good. They have also pricing. Let's see that. And their sourcing is like same like they source product AliExpress, Alibaba, every product, and in their site like customers review have no problem. What service they are providing: discover winning product, source any product. One moment. And like source any product, print on demand, other service they are providing. Okay, and the pricing is, when we go on pricing, let's say what pricing they are charging. Okay, like free of zero access 1 million plus products, world class support, product sourcing, it's free, and $49 per month is this the service they are providing, US product custom branding. Yeah, okay, good. So it is also pricing. And the second supplier is Hyper SKU. Okay, they are also is good supplier. I mean, those who are searching for a good automated dropshipping supplier, these are good, not bad. But this supplier has also some bad side. Our next is worldwide AliExpress. Okay, no problem. AliExpress is popular, no problem. But AliExpress biggest problem is they have lower shipping times, slow shipping times, and product quality is very bad. But what benefit you will get from AliExpress? Like only for the price, you will get some lower price than other supplier, but sometimes you don't have to focus on price, you have to focus on quality, then fast shipping, then what customers are saying about your service. So overall, AliExpress I don't recommend. If you have low budget, then you can choose it, but you will get low shipping times and product quality I cannot ensure. So the final part things that I was told you that at the end of the video I will share you secret tips. And this suppliers is good, not bad, but I always suggest to work with a private supplier. Okay, private agent. So let me show you the proof. Like I am a private supplier. This is my WhatsApp. You are looking that. One moment. Yeah, it's coming. Yeah, this is my WhatsApp. And as a private supplier, I can show you what are going on. Okay, I have many clients who are working with me. So this is my client Omar Fulfillment. He is an Italian client. It's very good. He have daily like 20, 30, 40 orders, no problem, it's good. And we are regularly giving him price from his order. I have already uploaded a video like how I fulfill 100 orders per day. You can check how we fulfill orders for our clients. And let's see that here our client everyday asking price, and he's asking new product price, and his order is very good, like total 788 one day he has paid on Wise. And we always process the order. Okay, and our next client is Giovanni have a good client. He is also Italian client. And if any orders we did mistake for slow shipping or package have lost, we always informed them, and they have informed their customer, and that's it. The business is going smoothly, no problem. And we have new customers coming, like they are this is our new customer, like he is asking for price. This is our new client that is asking this price, and he is saying it's good. Okay, so guys, working private supplier is very, very good. I will help you for any kind of product sourcing, fast shipping, no problem. And you can always connect with me, and please subscribe. So in the next video we will come with more and more secret things in dropshipping. So the benefit, one of the most benefit to work with private supplier is you will get fast shipping. Any product you can I can source from goods manufacturer, and return refund policy, everything you will get. So thank you so much for watching this video.